Hey guys, Tech Corner here. Since you clicked on this tutorial, you probably want to learn how to use the pen tool in Illustrator. We're gonna teach you exactly that, and we're gonna throw in some tips and tricks to help you from the start. We're also going to mention some of the other tools too, but we are going to focus mostly on the pen tool. So the pen tool is that tool right here. It's also the shortcut P on the keyboard. If you right click on it, you get a bunch of other tools we are going to get to a bit later. So the pen tool works by creating anchor points and connecting those anchor points with lines. If you click and drag with the pen tool, you're creating handles that are specific to that anchor point. The handles are determining the direction of the line, and with those handles we are able to curve the lines however we want. We're going to grab the direct selection tool and select this anchor point right here. As you can see, we got two handles. This one is pulling the line in this direction and the other one in the opposite direction. With the direct selection tool we can move the anchor points, the handles, and the line between anchor points. As you can see, both handles are moving together. If you want to move just one anchor point, hold Alt while clicking on that anchor point. So let's try drawing some lines and see how that works in practice. Let's start with this part here. As I'm drawing, I'm going to explain what I'm doing. I'm going to click and drag because I need the line to go in this direction. Click and drag to make the line curve the way I want. And you can see I don't need this other handle. I can just click on the anchor point to disable it, or hold Alt and change the direction of the single handle, without touching the line we did before. Click and drag again, and I'm going to click on this corner because I don't need any handles. Click and drag again, and click to close the path. Let's try something more complicated. So I told you how you can hold the Alt key and move the handle, but what if you wanted to shorten the handle but keep the same direction? Just hold the Control key and make the handle the size you want. So we are having some trouble when trying to finish the path because both handles are moving, the one we added to the first anchor point and the one we are trying to add now. It's simple, just hold the Alt key when clicking on that last anchor point and the handle will move separately. If you click and want to move the anchor point a bit, just hold the spacebar while moving it. Let's get back to those other tools next to the pen tool. The anchor point tool will delete both handles if you just click on an anchor point, or add handles if you click and drag. The other two are pretty self-explanatory. I will leave this whole artwork in the description so you can practice and draw over it. I hope we helped you understand the pen tool a bit better. Let us know which one of the other tools would you like to see next. See you next time!